Are high energy costs starting to eat into your budget? Would you like to figure out how to save some money on your next power bill? Hi, I'm Todd Woodall with Woodall's Total Comfort Systems. Let our expert team analyze your current heating and cooling system and provide you with some money-saving suggestions. We can tailor a new system specifically to your home and for your budget. Now's not the right time, but still want to save some money? We offer system maintenance to keep your system operating at peak efficiency, and we have financing available for repairs or replacement. Call me, Todd Woodall, at 850-482-8802. That's 850-482-8802.